Hey guys, I'm Charlie. Just kidding. Today we're going to teach you how to make oatmeal, which I already did on the show, but I made a mistake. So first you gotta open the package. Then you gotta get a bowl. Get a bowl. Now it's time to close the cap. So now, then you gotta turn the water like that and put it onto the bowl like this. But do not, and I mean do not put too much water in there. Okay, then if you like your oats super soggy, then put a lot of water in there. But I don't think you're gonna like that. Not really. Now you gotta open the microwave. Ta-da! Gross, but I hate the microwave clothes. See? Oatmeal, I put it in the microwave. And I mean any bowl fits in the microwave, any bowl. Then put it in there for 2 minutes. If it's a pack of oats like this, you gotta put it in there for 2 minutes. But the biggest pack, you may gotta put in there. Probably gotta put it on the stove. But now it's warming up, okay? Okay, it's warming up. Oh, car here. Okay, wait a second. Guess what? I'm making a YouTube video, Carl. You came at the wrong time.
What did you say, Keith?
You came at the wrong time. I'm making a YouTube video. So you on the YouTube video, say hey, Carl.
Hey, man, how you doing?
Yeah, he said hey. He kind of getting some stuff. So anyway, I'm teaching people how to make oatmeal. Yeah.
Huh? Teaching people how to make oatmeal.
Yeah. Yeah, Mom, you on the video. Yeah, put your face right in there.
That was you that heard the day when I go? Shit, I forgot what it was here. So,
Anyway, so yeah, look. I only got 1 minute left. Today we're gonna say hey to my guinea pigs. My poopy pigs. Say hey, Benny. Benny, wait, I'm putting a flashlight. Come on, flashlight.
you been taking care of your thing?
Yeah.
Huh?
But I'm sorry, yeah, my battery low. I can't put it on.
I see that brown now.
It ain't no brown.
What you found me that deal?
Oh, hey. Oh, hey. Yeah, they're like poo-poo, like a lot of poo-poo, but actually it isn't. It just is too black, so I can't put on a flashlight. Flashlight, dope. Not dope. No fluff that guinea pig. The fluff that guinea pig put stand on. Look.
Oh, you know he was gone, huh?
Yep, Benny knew he was gone.
See? I got about 1 minute, like not even more than 1 minute. So, say hey to my mom. Mama say hey.
Hey.
Yeah, she said.
Hello.
You on YouTube. You on my channel. You can you know like you're on channel. Oh hey everybody. Today the oatmeal's ready. I'm just saying hey guys today. Oatmeal. Now it's pretty hot. So gosh hot. It's pretty hot. Yeah, it's hot. But remember to close the microwave. And don't let this hit you in the head. Today?
Get her ass up since she been asleep all that damn time.
Boy, you got food right here. So today, you're supposed to actually stop it, hand. You're supposed to stir it. Stir it a little bit, not a lot.
I got another mouth to feed now.
I bet you that. How much
I don't bet. I don't bet nothing because
we are done.
Another mouth to feed.
But don't click on the video yet.
I got another mouth to feed.
What I'm telling you anyway.
Mama, stop it! You're on my video.
Yes, shut up.
I'm half.